Hi guys, I want to draw a little bit more attention to a local family-owned business here in Show Low. This is the intersection, the Deuce Clubs and White Mountain Boulevard. But if you'll follow me, I want to show you, they've moved from their original location. There's Desert Title, and if you come over here just west of Desert Title, back down in behind the Uptown building, just drive down in between those buildings. You see the back of my truck over there, and in the back of the building is Books and Treasures. Go pay Jen a visit. You'll be glad you did. Hi guys, I'm Troy Brown, team leader for the Bald Guy and team with Home Smart Professionals, and I want to welcome you to a professional spotlight video. And today I want to introduce you to Jen, the owner of Books and Treasures. Now, there's a lot of information. I want to just clarify a couple of things here about Books and Treasures. It's been in business for 6 years, and Jen and her husband have owned it for
almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, I saw a little tent sign out by the Deuce Club that said Raw Honey, and I came in here and met them. The energy is amazing in here. They're great people, and they're local business owners, and so I just want to encourage everyone to support them, okay? You know, they've got tons and tons of books, and Jen also has some talents. What do you do for books? And
so I do a lot of research, and I can also price and appraise books. So the older the books, I can take care of that cost for you, or the pricing.
And if they've had any damage to them, she can repair them and whatnot. So, and also with respect to buying books, you've got, honestly folks, there are thousands of books in here. So if you like to read, if you're like some of us guys and you just like looking at pictures, I'm sure she's got some picture books for those guys. But they've got thousands of books in here. And one thing that Jen was telling me about, you not only sell books, but you'll take books in on trade?
Yes, that's correct. We do a really good trade credit, which enables you to get up to 50% off, depending on how many books you bring in.
Wow, 50% off.
Yes, off of our cost, our prices.
That's nice. That's generous, folks. Very generous. And another thing, just so you know, Books and Treasures, they're not a thrift store. They're not a non-profit organization or anything like that. This is a local, family-owned business, and we would really appreciate it if you'd come on down and give them some support. Is there anything else you'd like to share with folks?
Come see us. We're lovely.
She's got a little bit of crazy going on too, which makes it all the more fun. So come on down and tell everybody what your address is.
1150 East, Deuce Clubs, behind the Uptown building in the back is our entrance.
Just across the Deuce Clubs from your previous location.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, great. Hey, thanks guys. Take care, and as the Bald Guy says, we know this mountain. Perfect. Stop.